Dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. Here we are discussing our third chapter from semester 2. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, the human body. So far we have discussed about different organs and some organ systems. Do you remember? Yes, we have different organs in our body. A group of organs work together to do a special job is called organ systems. In our previous classes, we have discussed about skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and also about the digestive system. Hope all of you have understood each and every topic very well. Now you all know what all organs are included in each organ system and what are the functions of each organ system in our body. Children, today we are going to read the textbook. Are you ready? Then take your textbook and open it. Let's start reading.
Your body is like a machine, but you can think, smell, and do many things that no machine can do. How can you do so many things? Your body is made up of many parts that work together. Each part has its own job. Each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ. The sense organs, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and feeling, are the five things that help you know the world around you. They are called the five senses. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are the five sense organs. You can see the things around you. You see with your eyes. Your eyes help you to see colors. They also help you to make out if something is far or near. You can hear what is happening around you with your ears. Your ears help you to tell if a sound is loud, soft, pleasant, or unpleasant. You can smell the things around you. You smell with your nose. Your nose helps you to say if something smells nice or bad. You can taste things. You taste with your tongue. Your tongue helps you to taste food. It helps you to know if something is sweet, salty, sour, or bitter. You can feel things around you. You feel with your skin. The skin on any part of your body can make you feel if something is hot or cold, rough or smooth, hard or soft. Organ systems. Besides the sense organs, your body has many other organs. These organs work in groups. A group of organs working together to do an important job is called an organ system. There are several organ systems in your body which help you to stay alive and do various things. The skeletal system. Press different parts of your body. Can you feel the hard parts inside? These are your bones. An adult human has 206 bones in the body. The bones are joined together to form a framework known as the skeleton or skeletal system. The skeleton gives your body its shape. It also protects all the soft organs of your body. The bones in the skeleton are joined together in such a way that you can move the parts of your body. The muscular system. Place your left hand on your right upper arm. Bend and straighten your right arm. Can you feel something move? The moving parts are your muscles. Some of them are attached to your bones. They pull your bones to make them move. They help you to lift heavy things or to run fast. The muscles of your body forms the muscular system. The circulatory system. When you put your hand on your chest, you can feel something tick. That is your heart. The heart pumps a red liquid called blood to all the parts of your body. The blood travels in your body through special tubes called blood vessels. The blood carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body. It also collects waste from all parts of your body. The heart, blood, and blood vessels make up your circulatory system. The respiratory system. Take a deep breath and feel your chest expand as air enters it. When you breathe in, air enters your body through your nose. It then passes through the windpipe and goes to the lungs. The lungs absorb the oxygen from the air you breathe in. The blood takes the absorbed oxygen to all the parts of your body. You need oxygen to get energy from food. The nose, windpipe, and lungs make up your respiratory system. The digestive system. The food that you eat has to be broken down into very small, simple substances. Only then the body can absorb the food to give energy. The process by which food is broken down is called digestion. Digestion starts in the mouth. Let's discuss about each parts of digestive system in detail. First one, the teeth chew the food in the mouth. The food mixes with saliva. Second one, the chewed food moves through the food pipe to the stomach. Third point, the digestive juices in the stomach mash the food and make it into a paste. Fourth point, the food then moves into the small intestine. Here it is broken down fully into simple substances and sent to all parts of the body through blood. Fifth point, the undigested food moves to the large intestine. Water from the food is absorbed here. The last point, the waste is sent out through the anus. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine form your digestive system.
So children, read the textbook regularly and also you have to study the notes. Don't forget to copy the notes into your notebook. If you feel any doubt, you can clear your doubt during your live session, either in your live session or you can call me. Okay, we'll meet in the next session with a new topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.